How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about birth name number 3, outer expression, deeper meaning. Alright, so before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Pythagoras taught that everything in nature consists of 3 parts. Man himself has 3 planes of life, each governed by its own principles. Soul is found in vowels, the body is found in consonants, and the spirit in vowels and consonants combined. All 3 planes must be in harmony if man is to achieve success, happiness, and good health. Okay, so man is considered a threefold creature, having spirit, mind, and body. Likewise, every system has a first, middle, and last part. So number 3 was considered the first perfect number. Pythagoras called number 3 the one and the many, meaning a limited expression of 1 and 2, and a number of talents because number 3 is the creative principle in the Godhead, the number of self-expression, the artist, and the entertainer. The number 3 is an 8 with the left side open. So 8 makes its own boundaries by organizing its affairs. The 3 is open to scatter its energies. Both are money makers, but number 8 strives to keep money growing, while number 3 likes to have fun. We are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. Pamela's birth name number. Alright, by adding together both the total number values of the vowels and consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines their innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each letter the number value in the alphabet in the reference chart below. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Pamela uses her name when she comes into contact with others. Her name is said when she speaks on the phone, when she speaks to family and friends, when she opens an account in a bank or in a shop. She not only says her name Pamela, she writes it down. Everybody she knows calls her by her name. Numerology, a numerical and alphabet reference chart. Alright, so it goes from 1 to 9, and number 1 stands for A, J, and S, and up to 9, which stands for I and R. Name expressions. Pamela's birth name expression number. So P equals 7, A equals 1, M equals 4, E equals 5, L equals 3, and A equals 1. You add all this up, it comes to 21, which equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. Therefore, Pamela's birth name number is equal to number 3. Okay, so vowels are the soul of the word, its life, so to speak. Vowels of a person's name bear close relationship to a person's inner feelings, which is the total number of the vowel numbers known as the soul urge number. From the soul urge number, we can learn more subtle aspects of the individual's sensitivity, fortitude, and drive. This is expressed in a number of ways: feelings, emotions, desires, fancies, and so on. Vowels in Pamela's soul urge number: A plus E plus A equals 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 7. Therefore, Pamela's soul urge number equals the number 7. Okay, so number 3 is empathy and expression. Let's spread the joy. Number 3 is the mystical number of the cosmic consciousness. It is renewal of mind and body, and using them to express creatively. Cooperation, fertility, and growth are the life themes of number 3. They are born to inspire and uplift others by creating joy and heartfelt emotions, usually through speaking, writing, or singing. They have a vivid imagination, and their artistic talents bring forth brilliant concepts. Number 3's most suited vocation is in dancing, theatre, music, and painting. Through their talents, they can manifest in any creative endeavor. They are easygoing, love life, and use their talents to express life at its fullest. Highly cultured and intelligent, they impress others quickly. Also, they make natural counselors and love making people feel comfortable and nurtured. Number 3's have a highly sociable vibration and will smile, have fun, and make people laugh. The number 7 is a time of rest after completion. 7 spirits, 7 mind, and 7 souls equals 21. But number 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 3s want to perform, so they are impatient and will do things in haste. And unfortunately for Pamela, this makes number 3 a vibrational spiritual test for her, because number 3s are prone to wanting a good time and immediate gratification. Alright, so having the number 7 as Pamela's soul urge inner expression number, it will help to ground her outer expression number 3 and give her divine courage, making her more responsible, finding solutions and resolving issues that come up. Also, she will find spending some time alone will help her to keep her emotions in check and to contemplate what next goal she needs to achieve instead of getting about with her friends every night. Number 3 feels deeply and are self-conscious when expressing their emotions and then withdraw. Highly sensitive, they tend to pick up other people's feelings and need to protect their own boundaries. Number 7, Pamela's inner expression will give her the confidence and inner security she needs that is lacking in her outer expression number 3. When they allow their negative expression to manifest itself, they fritter away their time, talent, and energy, and not to mention funds. Then they idly follow, first one thought and then another, without appreciating one of them, by becoming emotional and flashy in their personal appearance. Alright, so advice for number 3. Seek understanding. In meditation, your higher self connects you to insight with any problem. Leave behind any preconceived opinions and be open to truth and true purpose. The right answer comes clothed in a feeling of peace, a sense of knowing. Understanding makes the way clear for you. Alright, so that's it for name number 3 outer expression video. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so that you can get updated with all our future videos. And also leave comments and suggestions. Alright, so this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Until our next video on numerology, good day on you.